I got the Subzero fridge, and the customers' complaint is when they close the door, sometimes the light doesn't go off. The light is still on, and then it went off. To make sure the light goes off very faster, what you can do, see that set screw on the hinge? I got this. Allen key. I don't have Allen key, but I'm using this CRV H15. And what you can do, you can increase the size of this screw, bring it out by sticking this on into the little small hole, go back and forth, it's in, and then now you can turn it. See, you can see it. Did you see? I'm turning it so. And now I'm gonna close the door and see. Because these units, especially on this compartment and on the freezer side, they do not have a actual door switch, which is, you can see a door switch on this unit, that white color over there for ice maker on this door, but on the top part you don't, the switches are on the hinge, so this pin hits it in here, and then now you can see when I close the door, see the light went off all the way already very fast. See, you also want to make sure don't bring this screw too out, otherwise this screw is going to fall down and then you have to order a new one. It's going to take some time. These units are brand new on the market and you don't want to lose this. It's going to be really hard to get this screw, or you can just stuff something in there and it's gonna, see, when I press this in, the light goes off. So here, see, release on, press off. Thank you.